What's up, guys? Just kind of dealing with some damage. About 1 a.m. we got woken up by this huge noise. We had a hailstorm blast through, about toonie size hail. So siding on the houses got messed up, a bunch of vehicles, the crops in the field. I feel bad for the farmers. My wife's garden got destroyed. And I thought it was 9, but I only see 8 panels of glass on the shop doors, so I'll show you what we got going on here. So I have some replacement pieces, I think 3 or 4 panes of glass I had cut previously. So the ones that weren't shattered, they were just cracked, I've taped up for now. I'll replace those when I have the glass. The ones that have busted pieces like that one there and this one here, I'm going to actually replace with the glass pieces I do have. So that's what I'm going to go through and do. Yeah, I thought it was 9 pieces, unless I'm missing a crack on one of these things somewhere. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so the windows glass pieces are, there's silicone in here. This is a plastic clip that pops it in from the side. So these ones go on top of the bottom and top ones. So we'll pop out these side pieces on both sides. Right? Hopefully we don't crack them. Like you can see, this is an old door, so some of the pieces are already damaged. Pop out the side pieces, then the top and bottom, and then the glass piece will come out. Let's get to it. Okay, so we got the old busted glass out. I put it in a cardboard box. So I'm going to put all the glass in the cardboard box. Don't like to put glass in bags and stuff like that. We can take that up after we're done. This is the seal at the channel, or whatever you want to call it, I don't know what it is, that the glass sits in. So it's not in the best of shape. It's actually in several pieces. And I've just cleaned it out best I can, and I'm just going to reuse this. I'm sure you can get a new one, but the thing is, I got 3 pieces of glass that I need to change before we get more rain this afternoon. So I'm just going to work with what I have, try and get the pieces of glass in. I've already taped up the rest of the busted pieces, and it was 9. I missed that one busted piece at the top of that door over there. Yeah, let's keep picking away. All right, so I have the seal kind of sitting there. It's just a C channel, just sits around the glass. Here's the trim pieces that hold the glass in. So that would go in this way on this side of the window. So the end of it goes into that little opening, right, that tab. And then this piece right here snaps into the open end of the channel right there. And then just silicone the sealer on both sides. So that's why I'm not too worried about that seal. So I'll pop the window in here, and then I'll pop these trim pieces in, again, top and bottom, and then the sides, and then we'll go on to the next window. Tickety-boo.